So, boom. This is my 2020 desk setup video. Maybe 2021, depends how long I take to get this going, but I'm working hard on it, so hopefully it gets done before 2021. If not, it's 2021. Doesn't matter. But how does this look? I got some new lights sent out to me by Edison, and just how does this look compared to my other videos? Other videos were poorly lit, so now I got some new soft boxes. Hopefully everything looks great. Also got this killer wallpaper in the back. Shout out to RA Visuals. He put me onto this. Literally didn't know about this. Best money I've ever spent. This is the 2020 desk setup video. So boom, straight to the B-roll. As you've seen, you guys seen pretty much absolutely everything on my desk. Mostly everything in this video will be linked in the description if you like it, except this mic right here. It's some $40 mic. It's not great, but it's just for like Discord and whatnot. But first thing, let's dive in. MX Master 3, one of the prime video editing post-production mice of this year, and I think last year. I'm not sure when this came out, but I think I got it last year. But fantastic mouse. I'm pretty sure I've had it over a year. Love it. Lasts super long off one charge. It actually told me to charge it yesterday. I haven't charged it in like 4 or 5 months probably. Super great mouse. 10/10 recommend. Best money you'll probably ever spend. Next to me right there is my Dell XPS. It's a 9560, has 1080p screen, a 1050, 32 gigabytes of RAM, and I got this because it looks fantastic, and srgb definitely sucked me into the Dell XPS line. My headphones, I don't think I even recorded B-roll for this, but I definitely will. They're $40, $50 Mpow headphones, noise canceling. Mpow sent this actually out to me for review. Sound fantastic for the price. Decent build quality. $40 to $50. They sound relatively pretty good. Yeah, that's all I have to say about these. I'll link these in the description. I like them. Next thing, I can't bring my speakers up, but the Kanto Yu2s. Got them for my birthday. They're in red. Sound phenomenal. I think they're about $200, $300, depending on where you get them. Sound great. 10/10 recommend. They're just amazing desktop speakers. Bass is crazy. Usually on like level 6. Obviously it goes from 1 to 100, but level 6 they're usually on because they're incredibly loud. Sound amazing. Definitely would get them if they're within your budget. If not, I'm sure there's other speakers. I'll probably link another one that sounds relatively well. And I'm backwards, and I'll probably have some B-rolls of these too. I'll put in probably now, but these are two 27-inch monitors. This one right here is a 1080p 144 hertz plastic. I'm pretty sure it's Asus. Asus makes great gaming monitors. Bought it for $250. You're like saying, oh, why would you get 1080p 144 hertz? I don't game that much, but when I do, I only need 1080. I don't really care about high graphics for gaming. My PC is more for other things like Lightroom, video editing, just creative tasks, less gaming. Right here is a Benq EW2770QZ 100% srgb 100% Redragon 9 display. I do my Lightroom editing and my video editing and my coloring all on that monitor. Great monitor. Now the last thing I actually have to show you guys from my desk, this crazy cool, it's just a cup mug and I just put my pencil in here. $8 off Amazon. Definitely cool, super cool. I mean, I don't know, The buttons move? Nope, they don't move, but $8. Fantastic mug for doing stuff. So, boom. I totally forgot this part of the video, which is my chair and my Expo marker board. Totally forgot that. This chair is from Smugdesk. It's an ergonomic, ego ergonomic chair, blah blah blah. About $100. I'll link it in the description, but they actually sent this chair out to me to try out when it was like brand new. I've had it for like over a year now. Something like that. It's a great chair. It's good for $100. Better than the chair I had originally. Way better. So for me, it's definitely an upgrade. Is there better chairs out there? Yeah, but I might do anything crazy. I might get a new chair sooner or later, but I got a budget $200-300 for just a chair. So, and then this Expo marker board I got from Target for $20 to $30. Super cheap. I'm a really visual person, so it helps me plan things and like put tasks in. So you know when you like type I'm gonna get this video done on my phone, or I'm gonna do my homework on my phone, and you're like, all right, whatever, I'll get it done eventually. You're not really worried about it. It's not in the forefront of your mind. When I write something on the board, I get up, I'm like, oh, I see it there. I'm a visual learner. I'm just a visual person. It helps me break into it, so I'll forget things when they're actually up there. So, and I just recorded this actually, and forgot to turn my mic. So this is take 3 of this. This will be at some point in the video. I don't know where I'm gonna put it in there, but it's gonna be in there somewhere. So last thing I have to show you guys is my keyboard. Now, totally forgot the name of this, but I'll put it right there, right under it. You'll see. I'll put it right under this. But this is it's a Redragon keyboard, and then I put I think they're HyperX pudding keycaps in this. If not, it'll be right there, the name of it. I put them in here. RGB, full RGB keyboard, fantastic, love it. Wireless, love wireless keyboards. USB-C, and not proprietary USB-C, so that's definitely on the W for this brand. Great keyboard. Red switches. I'm pretty sure they're Otamu reds, so I'll make sure, I'm gonna get a thing here, but make sure they're Otamu reds. They're definitely, I'm pretty sure they're Otamu reds. Sound fantastic. Love them. Super nice quality. And that's pretty much everything on my desk. I'll go have a full PC video for my PC, go over all the specs and whatnot, and I'll probably throw in some other goodies in there than that. That's everything for my 2020 desk setup video. Probably work on a PC video 2-3 weeks from now. I'll drop it maybe early next year or maybe late this year. Just depends how long it takes me to edit it and whatnot. But yeah, I'll see you guys later.